Konnichiwa. Today I'm going to show you how to make these little booklets by watching the correct YouTube. So of course you've watched the YouTube on how to make the origami hon, and that's in the origami YouTube playlist. It's this one, origami hon. So you're going to watch that first. I'm sure you can probably make it by yourself, that one. And then you're going to go back to the playlists and you're going to watch after you've made one origami hon, and remember that they can be turned inside out. You're going to find the YouTube playlist that says Learn Hiragana, the Japanese phonetic alphabet with Katie Sensei. You're going to watch these videos, and as they go, you can write in there what it is. A for Baramandi. Na for the nasty ninja. You could decide to make any ones you like first. You don't have to start at A. You might think it's more interesting to start halfway through. So that's today's work, to make a few booklets of all the hiragana that you know. And then if you're in year 4, 5 or 6, these sheets are underneath the terebi in the classroom, and you can ask your sensei to give you one to work out how many of them there are. You have to count and circle all of the A, and then count how many there are and put it down the bottom. You might find 7 A, I'm not sure. All right, that's today's last Japanese lesson. Sayonara.